Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nevamosha Ikfina Arta from 9 Acceleration MTsN 1 PASURUAN. Did you know I made food or drinks? Of course not. I'm different to others. Today I will make a video procedure until tutorial typography style video. The typography style video in just 3 applications. First Pinterest, second Ikfina, and lastly Motion. You can download it in Google or Google Play Store. So, you're serious about my video tutorial? I'm really bushy, so bye. Just kidding. So, watch my video tutorial.
Are you want this?
Step 1. Open application Pinterest. Then search paper. Choose the picture what you want. Example of picture. If you want to download the picture, click the 3 dots above right. The picture has been saved in gallery. Step 2. Open Ikfina. Click the icon plus. Photo size 1 and 1. Select the photo that was downloaded earlier. Follow my step. After the photo background disappears, then save as transparent PNG. Do another picture. Step 3. Motion. So, we are in the Motion application. Without watermark, you can download it in Google. Search Motion no watermark. Click icon plus in under. Choose size 16 and 9. Then create the project. Click icon plus again. Select a picture that has been downloaded or saved transparently. Follow my step. Add the picture you want. Example of picture. Add another picture again. Put the picture anywhere.
Wait. Do you want this transparent picture? I got you. First, screenshot this video. Open Google. Click this icon. Select this picture. After, screenshot. After opening Google, immediately open Notes. Paste the text, then click. Later N. Image like. This will appear. If you want to, download it. Click the picture, what you want, then download it. Ta-da! The picture has been downloaded. Let's continue.
X rotation pictures is minus 30 degrees and move it anywhere. Add transparent paper. Add text that match the song lyrics. Follow my step. Copy the layer, then paste the layer. Adjust it then to the song lyrics. Move the text and zoom in. Add shadows too. Then rotation the text minus 90 degrees. Pick a song what you want. Adjust the beat of the song. Hold the layer. Add layer camera. Layer 01, layer 02, last 03. On it, click this icon. Layer camera join to 01, layer 02 join to 02. Layer 02 join to 03. Click layer camera, then zoom in. Add keyframe. Move it to the first lyrics. Add curve. Copy the curve. Add effect to the text. Search drawing progress. And 0 to 100. No need to use curve. So this text adds the effect. Adds rotation. Paste the curve. This too, but just edit it. Add rotation. Null 2 is zoom out. The rotation is minus 90 degrees. I adjust to this, so just keep it. The layer camera add effect motion blur. After that, click layer camera. Enable focus blur. Then export the video. So thanks for watching my tutorial video. I hope this video is useful for you. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.